Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code P0617 indicates an issue with the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit, specifically a high voltage problem. This code is triggered when the vehicle's powertrain management system, known as the PGM-FI, programmed fuel injection, detects that the voltage in the starter cut relay diagnosis circuit exceeds a specified threshold. The starter cut relay is crucial as it controls the electrical flow necessary to start the engine. It is located within the underhood fuse relay box. If this relay malfunctions, or if there is a wiring issue, it may prevent the engine from starting or lead to erratic starting behavior. Monitoring the parameters of this relay is essential for proper troubleshooting. The next slides will provide a systematic approach to diagnose and resolve the issues associated with DTC P0617. The starter cut relay plays a crucial role in controlling the electrical circuit that enables the engine to start. Specifically, it ensures that the current passes through to the starter motor when you attempt to start the vehicle. The relay is situated in the underhood fuse/relay box, which is typically located near the battery. It's important to remember that this relay's performance directly impacts the startup of your Honda Fit. If it's not functioning correctly, it can lead to difficulties in getting the engine to start, or the engine may not start at all. Regularly monitoring this component can prevent unexpected starting issues, as it ensures that all connections remain tight and functional. In diagnostics, checking the voltage level in this circuit is a key step, as it helps indicate whether the system is operating correctly. Several possible causes could lead to the triggering of DTC P0617. One common issue is poor connections within the wiring associated with the starter cut relay. Corroded or dirty connectors can lead to inconsistent electrical flow, resulting in high voltage readings. Another cause may be loose terminals, which can prevent the relay from receiving sufficient power when you engage the ignition. Lastly, a damaged starter cut relay itself can introduce faults in the diagnosis circuit, leading to erroneous readings and performance. Each of these components must be carefully inspected to rule out any critical failures. Insufficient voltage levels or sudden spikes can further complicate this situation, resulting in intermittent starting issues which may not always be evident during the diagnostic process. When experiencing a problem related to DTC P0617, you may observe several symptoms. The most immediate sign is that the engine won't start, which can be frustrating for any driver. In some cases, there may be intermittent starting issues, where the engine may start at times but fail at others, indicating that the problem is not always consistent. Additionally, the dashboard warning light may illuminate, specifically indicating an electrical fault, drawing your attention to the starting system. It's essential to pay attention to these symptoms, as they can help you pinpoint the exact areas that require troubleshooting. Ignoring these signs could lead to more significant issues with the starting system, thus increasing repair costs and downtime. The first step in diagnosing DTC P0617 involves verifying the problem with your Honda Fit. Begin by turning the vehicle into the on mode without starting the engine. Following this, clear the diagnostic trouble code using the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System. This allows you to reset the system, making it possible to capture fresh data while you check for issues. Next, observe the current parameters of the starter cut relay through the HDS. Specifically, you're looking for voltage readings to exceed 3.2 volts. If the values meet this threshold, it confirms a duplicated failure. However, if the readings do not match, it may indicate an intermittent failure, at which point you should check for poor connections or loose terminals to ensure that the starter cut relay and the powertrain control module, PCM, are functioning correctly. For the second troubleshooting step, start by turning the vehicle to the off mode. This action is crucial for safety and to prevent any electrical mishaps while you work on the vehicle. Next, remove the B25 fuse, which is a 7.5 amp fuse that resides within the underhood fuse relay box. By cutting power to this circuit, you mitigate the possibility of accidental shorts while performing tests. After the fuse is removed, re-enter the on mode again and check the parameters for the starter cut relay using the HDS. Here you're looking for a voltage reading exceeding 3.2 volts once more. If you find that the readings confirm the expected threshold, move forward to the next troubleshooting step. If not, you will need to check the start diag wire and ensure it is functioning properly to rule out other electrical issues. The third troubleshooting step focuses on the condition of the starter cut relay itself. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is in the off mode to prevent any potential short circuits during your work. Next, locate and remove starter cut relay 1 from the underhood fuse/relay box. Once the relay is out, it's essential to conduct a thorough test to check its functionality. If you find that the relay is in working order, the next step would involve inspecting the wiring for any shorts to power in the wire connecting starter cut relay 1 to starter cut relay 2. In such cases, it may be necessary to replace the underhood fuse/relay box if the wiring shows significant wear or damage. Conversely, if the relay is found to be defective, it should be replaced to restore the proper functioning of the starter system. The fourth step involves checking for any shorted wires in the start diag line. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is off, again for safety. Use the HDS to jump the SCS, service check signal line, preparing the system for diagnostic checks. After this, disconnect the PCM connector A with 51 pins to isolate it from the circuit. Turn the vehicle back to the on mode and perform voltage measurements between specific test points. You will measure between pin 47 of the PCM connector A and a reliable body ground. You want to see if the voltage reads about 0.1 volts or less in this condition. If you achieve this low voltage reading, the start diag wire is confirmed to be functional. In such a case, consider updating the PCM software or substituting a known good PCM. If the DTC P0617 disappears, the troubleshooting may be completed successfully. Otherwise, proceed to repair any shorts in the wiring found between the fuse and the PCM. After completing all troubleshooting steps, it's crucial to verify that the repairs made have been effective. Begin by using the HDS to clear the DTC P0617 from the PCM. Once cleared, take the Honda Fit for a test drive under varied conditions to confirm that the problem does not reoccur. During this process, keep an eye on the vehicle's dashboard for any indication that a warning light may turn on again. After the test drive, recheck the system with the HDS to see if any new error codes emerge. This final step not only verifies the repair, but also helps ensure that the vehicle is back to optimal functionality and that the electrical systems are fully operational. If the DTC P0617 remains absent, you can conclude that the issue has been satisfactorily resolved. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding issues related to DTC P0617 in the future. First and foremost, establish a regular inspection schedule to frequently check all electrical connections related to the starter cut relay and the PCM. Accumulated dirt and corrosion can quickly lead to a malfunction, so make it a habit to clean these connectors periodically. Additionally, It's essential to keep the software in the PCM updated, as manufacturers often release updates that enhance system efficiency and resolve known bugs. By being proactive, you can save not just on costly repairs, but also ensure a smooth running vehicle. A well-maintained electrical system will greatly reduce the risk of encountering the same diagnostic trouble codes down the line. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0617 is crucial for Honda Fit owners dealing with starting issues. Early identification of symptoms, such as the engine not starting or intermittent troubles, can save you significant time and effort. Following a structured approach to diagnostics is vital. The outlined steps lead you methodically through isolating and repairing the problem. Finally, implementation of preventive measures is essential for maintaining your vehicle's performance. By remaining proactive with inspections and updates, you will not only improve reliability, but also extend the life of your vehicle's electrical components. Remember, addressing these issues promptly leads to safer and more dependable driving experiences. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.